How important is the emotional well-being of a child who is on the spectrum? I am very eager to know what is their emotional state.
Exactly the same as any child or any human would actually experience. The only difference is their form of expression. It's not that they don't go through the stress, they are going through a lot of stress. But the ways in which it may come out could be through behavior, being a little more quiet. Now, sometimes that is also mistaken as being introvert, which is fair. We all can be an introvert, but it's not that it's you being an introvert by just because it's your personality. It's because you are not able to say what you want to say. And that's where I think the role of the family would play a very important role, because the small signs nobody else but the family can make. And they are the first building blocks of trust.
Sir has been very willingly participating in the development of his daughter. What all steps have you taken? What has been the effect on your daughter?
You have to prepare at home a therapy center for balancing issue. I ordered a balancing board. I did at home, and now our balancing is very good. Hyperactivity, balancing, toilet training. In most of the cases in autism, kids are not trained.
So, welcome both of you to the Dolly Show today. As we all know, it's a very unique podcast that we have a professional and a parent. And we'll have amazing psychological and a lot of other aspects that we will be discussing today. So, let me introduce my guests. First being our professional, who is Kiran ma'am. And she is a psychologist as well as a psychotherapist. So a lot of insights that we need from you, ma'am, today. So thank you for joining us. Thank you. And we have our very special parent, who is Ashish sir. The wonders that he's done with his daughter are to be taken a note on. So a lot of discussions that we'll have with you as well, and a lot of tips that parents can take from you. So we will be discussing all that in depth. So to start with you, ma'am, first. So I would love to know your journey. You have 10 years of experience in this field in such a short span of time. So we would love to know your journey.
So it's ironical. I was actually not going to join psych.
Oh.
I am a 1 month student of BMS from a very reputed colleges. My everybody around me was very happy. Bachi kuch kar legi, she will be said, because back then there was not a lot of awareness, and the scope that everybody would look for in choosing a profession was not as much in the field of mental health, psychology. It was, even if it was more related to psychiatrists, and I did not come from the background where I had pursued maths and science. So anyway, it was a very long story as to how I had to fight my way back to get into psych. So yeah, I did choose BMS. I went through it, thought I could survive. 3 years completed, I will be set, everybody was relaxed. But 1 month down, I started realizing that was not something that I really wanted to do, and I couldn't cope with it, not being a interest area. So I fought my way back, got my admissions back into arts, fought my way for psychology. That was the least that I wanted my vice principal to give me back. But she was really instrumental and very supportive. Somehow, after all the pleading, manawing, convincing that how much I wanted to really do it, she agreed. She helped me. College had already started. It was 2 months down, and assignments done, and she's like, Kiran, how would you cope? But she's not around anymore, but I would really owe it to her, because she was my stepping stone to actually starting my journey. I had 3 beautiful undergrad years, and as I went through it, I realized that clinical psychology was something that I really wanted to do. And then I kept exploring, and here I am today after 10 years.
My God! From a completely different field into this, and then into mental health and dealing with children with different abilities. Oh, beautiful. What an amazing and a very inspiring journey. Wow, we'll talk about this a little more. Before that, I would love to know your journey, sir, which is truly going to be another inspiration for us.
Actually, before coming to my daughter, I want to tell you about myself also.
Definitely.
Actually, it was a very difficult journey when I reached there. I never thought about this. When I was very young, at the age of 10, my parents died.
Oh.
After that, my uncle brought up me, and slowly, I passed the classes. And when I was in class 10, I started taking tuitions. And then slowly, I passed my graduation, post graduation, and alongside, I started my career as a tuition teacher or teacher. So that helped me also in taking care of my daughter. Because I was a teacher from my heart. I never thought of to be in government office. Actually, I was a teacher. For this, I also completed a bachelor degree in education. So I did. So with the passage of time, with the job, you know कि एक नौकरी लेना कितना मुश्किल होता है. I left 3 or 4 jobs. So what gave me strength? My struggle with faced in my previous life that boost up me and gave me a lot of strength, and that's why I easily handled my daughter. So this is what about me, and if I talk about my struggle, a chain of struggles are there. It will take 5 to 10 hours and really complete it. So this is about my story. So in 2015, I got married. My wife was a research scholar in Indian Agricultural Institute, and she was PhD in biotech. So in 2017, Himadri came into the world. This was 14th October 2017. We all were happy, all were good. With the passage, we noticed that Himadri was not paying attention and many more things. On 4th January 2019, when she was admitted in a hospital in Ghaziabad, the pediatrician there told us there is something. Please go to psychiatrist or psychologist. So after discharge from there, we also noticed what the symptom he has told us that time. So we noticed poor eye contact, or there was nothing, no eye contact at the time. Balancing issues was actually घर पर क्या होता है कि दादी नानी actually दादी तो थी नहीं, नानी was there. तुम्हारी मदर भी धीरे चली थी, धीरे तुम्हें टाइम लगा था, तो अरे हो जाएगी, सेटल हो जाएगी. और वाई वाज ऑल्सो थिंकिंग अच्छा ठीक है, क्योंकि every kid has special ability or different ways to bring up. तो उन्होंने कहा तो यही हुआ कि आज नहीं, धीरे चले, सेटल हो जाएगी. तो 1.8 मीन्स 1 साल 8 महीने के बाद नहीं, she has no balance, she can't stand or run properly. Then we noticed that, and then I went to AIIMS Hospital, Delhi. Everybody know, a renowned hospital, and their doctor also told us that she has symptoms, but he cannot accept till the age of 3. Actually, there is a ceiling time or criterion. Before 3 years of age, autism cannot be validated.
Oh,
to
this is new.
Yeah. No government hospital or no institution can give you a certificate of autism disability. It is. So, but doctor also told us that you have to work on many therapies. You will work with therapies, and Nothing ऐसे, actually there is no treatment of autism in India or throughout the world. He told us. So being a parent, every parents, every mother or parent has is their serious concern about what to do next. And I go to homeopathic treatment, Ayurvedic treatment. So it comes or we take slowly. There was a humor thing also. One day when I was walking in a Shipra Mall was there. So my daughter was with me, and through fraudulence, I don't know they are fraudulence or no. Oh, hello, Himadri is autistic, special child. Yes. Oh, हमारे पास तेल है. We are from Maharashtra and it very back areas there. तो हमारा जो चाचा थे उनका ही ऐसी डॉटर थी और उन्होंने 5-6 चीजें मिला के एक तेल बनाया, आयुर्वेदिक तेल, उससे बहुत लाभ हुआ. So I also went there.
Yeah, parents, whatever they find hope in, they go for it for sure.
So we also ले गया एक शॉप पर, एक आयुर्वेदिक स्वर्ण भस्म, हीरक भस्म, around 2 lakh was the amount.
Oh my God.
घर आए, तैयार किया कि आपको कैसे कैसे तैयार करना है. वो अभी भी रखा हुआ है एक बॉक्स में, कुछ नहीं फायदा हुआ. Actually, I have told you earlier that my wife is a research scholar, PhD by tech. So one day she was searching how to manage these things. So she also read about stem cell therapy there.
Oh.
She came to know it can also help. So we also went there and also took 2 shots of stem cell. So we also noticed that after stem cell we found out some changes in my child. Actually, because earlier जब वो हम उसको ले जाते थे या कभी पार्क में या कभी मॉल में ले गए, when we call her by name Himadri, she never responded. But after first shot of stem cell, I found out that 6 or 7 months after that time, she turned back. Where is देखा उसने मुझको. It was the moment कि हाँ अच्छा हिमाद्री समझने लगी. तो धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ कि चीजें चलती चली गई. हम जो चीजें करना चाहते थे, मतलब उसके हमने सोचा, एक्चुअली बीइंग अ टीचर टोल्ड यू कि सोचा कैसे काम किया जाए इसके साथ, क्योंकि ऐसे बच्चे को जिसका पूरे वर्ल्ड वाइड कोई ट्रीटमेंट ही नहीं है ऑटिज्म जैसे चीज का, तो उसको कैसे टैकल किया जाए. इट वाज अ वेरी बिग क्वेश्चन फॉर अस. देयर वाज अ ग्रेट सैक्रिफाइस ऑफ माय वाइफ आल्सो. ही ड्रॉप्ड हर जॉब एंड टेकिंग केयर फॉर द चाइल्ड. क्या करना है, कैसे करना. शी वाज आल्सो डिप्रेस्ड ड्यूरिंग दोस डेज. होता है कि पता नहीं होता, आपने जॉब छोड़ी, आपके बाद आपको जो ड्रीम था कि हाँ हमें ना उसके बाद फॉरेन के ऑफर्स आ रहे थे, यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ द डॉटर, बट सी मैनेज. सो आई गिव माई स्पेशल थैंक्स टू हर, जिसने अपना इतना बड़ा त्याग किया, क्योंकि आज इतना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. एक्चुअली वी ऑल्सो नोटिस जहाँ पेरेंट्स दोनों, मैंने अपनी पूरी जर्नी में दोनों वर्किंग होते, तो वहाँ पेरेंट अपने बच्चे को टैकल करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, क्योंकि एक इमोशंस से जुड़े होते हैं वो. इमोशंस आप अगर ये सोचो मेड पर डाल दो तो वो आपका नहीं बन सकता है. तो वो चीज थी हमने नोटिस की, और हमने देखा कि हाँ हिमाद्री के लिए उसकी मदर का मतलब साथ रहना, दिन में उसको केयर करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट.
Sorry to interrupt, but I would really love your views on these pointers that sir is mentioning, being the mother, giving up her job, and how important is the role of the parent, in the emotional well-being of the child. As a unit, is it important? So I would really love to know. So yeah, over to you, and then we will come to you now.
धीरे धीरे ऐसा हुआ, हमने देखा, फिर हमने सोचा कुछ सोचना चाहिए. तो सबसे पहले थिंक हाउ टू टैकल दिस सिचुएशन, देन अप्लाई. तो आई फाउंड आउट सम टारगेट्स, गोल्स, कि क्या क्या उसमें है जिसे हम कर सकते हैं. जैसे बैलेंसिंग इशू था उसको.
I would love to know your aspect, ma'am, that how important is the emotional well-being of a child who is on the spectrum. I am very eager to know what is their emotional state.
So it's exactly the same as any child or any human would actually experience. The only difference is their form of expression,
Correct.
which gets missed, and then we think that they're not feeling it or they're not able to process it, but they are actually taking in everything. That's the first thing that I think all of us should be very conscious about. Eventually, whether or not on the spectrum, you are a human.
Correct.
Every child is a child. You're going to experience it. There are the same hormones, same chemicals, same surroundings, family, stressors, school, friends, games, bullying, everything. So obviously they are also going to experience it. It's just that, of course, we need to have that guidance given to them as to how you express and how you deal with it. It's not that they don't go through the stress. They are going through a lot of stress. But the ways in which it may come out could be through behavior, could be through a withdrawn behavior, being a little more quiet. Now, sometimes that is also mistaken as being introvert, which is fair. We all can be an introvert too. But it's not that it's you being an introvert by just because it's your personality. It's because you are not able to say what you want to say. And that's where I think the role of the family, parents, would play a very important role, because the small signs, nobody else but the family can make out.
Correct.
And the child is 110% first going to connect most with the family, then turn to the others. Even if you keep the most educated person to do any support, whether it is academic, behavioral, कुछ भी करेंगे, it will still come to the family. कहीं ना कहीं तो 24 hours उनके साथ ही, and they are the first building blocks of trust.
Definitely.
हम लोगों के लिए भी पहले family will be the most building block of trust before we widen our circle. Same goes over here also. The family is playing that role, and what happens is families who realize it, who accept it, are able to take the situation in their stride, just like the way they have done it. There are families who do not accept it, and then it becomes too late, even though they are aware about it. So this is also a message to everybody. If you see these things happening in your child, yes, it's heartbreaking. Nobody would want the child to go through that. You would have your expectations. You don't want the child to go through the pain, the trouble. You want to be that supportive, encouraging parent. But if the child is still facing a difficulty, you can still be the encouraging parent. You can still be the positive parent that you want to be, and actually bring out the strengths of your child, rather than being, more, of course, stress will come along with it. But you still focus on the strength, even though you see these signs. Ultimately, we all are human. So that's my thing on a family as a support system.
And what I have heard is fathers. I've heard that if a mother is working for 6 hours with the child, if the same thing what a father can teach, it'll take only 2 hours. So is that true?
So sometimes what happens is the mother is the one who's most likely to be around the child.
Correct.
And she already has, of course, she's nursing the child. She's a very integral part already. What happens is the father plays the unique factor. At least in cases that I have seen, lot of family dynamics, because of the unique factor that the father can play, it adds more value. Now, iske liye na, when you and I also, we might be in a situation, जो parents बोलते हैं हम सुनते नहीं हैं, but जो सामने कोई और third person आके बोलेगा, we'll be able to process it more. Why? Because that's the unique factor coming in. And here also it's a similar case. the fathers have that unique factor. And for a matter of fact, whether on the spectrum or not on the spectrum, both parents are playing an equally important role.
But we have seen, just like Sir has been very willingly participating in the development of his daughter. So I would love you to elaborate, sir. What all steps have you taken? And what has been the effect on your daughter?
Ma'am was right. Actually, when Himadri was thirsty or hungry, क्या होता था कि अगर वो thirsty है, प्यासी है, तो जब वो नहीं एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाती थी, बता नहीं पाती थी, अब तो वो पॉइंट आउट करती है, तो जाती थी सिंक में. मतलब इट वाज वेरी पेनफुल फॉर अस. सिंक में जाती थी, जो भी पानी होता था ग्लास में बस उठा के पी लेती थी. बहुत बुरा लगता था. मतलब सोचता हूँ कभी कभी तो बहुत ज्यादा इट सैडन मी. लेकिन हाँ, मिसिस को आंखों में बताती थी. मतलब आपने बताया ना एक अटैचमेंट क्या होता है. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, हमने नोटिस किया, उसकी आंखों को देखा, ऑब्जर्व किया, तो आंखों से इशारे करना. एक्चुअली हर चीज उसको मतलब आ रही है, समझ रही है क्या है, लेकिन हमको समझना है. एक्चुअली हमें अपने ट्रांसमीटर्स जो है वो यूज करने हैं. दे आर वेरी स्पेशल चाइल्ड. मैंने ये सोचा कि स्पेशल चाइल्ड है तो ऐसा नहीं कि स्पेशल चाइल्ड है कि हमको उसको ऐसे ही छोड़ देना चाहिए. नहीं, स्पेशल मीन्स समथिंग स्पेशल इन हर. कुछ तो है स्पेशल जो हम फाइंड आउट नहीं कर पा रहे. एक पेरेंट्स के पास दोनों चीजें होती हैं, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. कैसे लेता है अपने बच्चे के लिए. तो हमने होता है कभी कभी डिप्रेशन होता है फैमिली को, बट फिर हम डबल स्ट्रेंथ के साथ उसके साथ काम करना शुरू कर देते हैं कि नहीं अरे ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, इतनी चीज चली जाएगी. जैसे कभी रात में नहीं सो रही, 1 बज गया, 1:30 बज गया, कोई नहीं. अभी कल ही परसों की बात है, तो हम सोए हुए थे, तो हमने हिमाद्री रात को 12 बजे, 12:15 बजे था. हमने हिमाद्री, मैं अभी ना डॉक्टर को बुलाता हूँ, इंजेक्शन लगा. तो हिमाद्री उसके बाद जैसे रूम में आए, अपने आप सो गई. मतलब वो समझ भी रही है. She was grasping. Her understanding is very improved now. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत ज्यादा काम किया है. एक्चुअली बताना चाहूँ, मैंने इसलिए वीडियोस भी बना लिए. क्या थी, कोई भी अगर पेरेंट्स वास्तव में उन्हें ये लगता है कि थेरेपीज नहीं है या कुछ नहीं है, तो कैसे हम गाइड करेंगे, तो मैंने उसके लिए भी बहुत मतलब इसलिए काम किया. तो जब वो 3 इयर्स की होती थी, तो उसके बाद जब हमें पता चला कि ऐसा ऐसा है, तो हमने, जैसा कि मैंने बताया, हमने गोल सेट किए अपने. और गोल सेट करने के बाद फिर हमने गोल्स पे काम किया, वर्क ऑन द गोल्स. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जैसे टू रिड्यूस हर हाइपर एक्टिविटी, देन आई स्टार्टेड slider on opposite side. Actually it give to strengthen her hands. And beer walk exercise, because it is not easy when you are out of the reach of therapy centers. There are many questions to the parents who are not connected to therapy centers, or nearby there are no therapy centers. Then you have to prepare it at home, a therapy center. Create a room for therapy center and do. For balancing issue, I ordered for balancing board. I did at home, and now her balancing is very good. Hyperactivity, balancing, toilet training. It is the main, you can say, how to train your child. In most of the cases in autism, kids are not trained. We have seen. So for this, my wife did very much. Actually, we set it 2 hours. Every 2 hours, we used to send her or take her to toilet, and my wife waited. And after 2 hours, and after 2 or 3 months, she was trained. Now, see, everywhere, whenever we go to even mall, we used to go to her toilet. Look, this is toilet, and then we shop. What about shopping? I say she also used to all the work. I mean to say, shopping about shopping. I was telling shopping भी अपने आप ही करती है. Means
Oh, is it?
yeah.
Same it?
She took her items and drop it in the basket.
She does it herself.
No.
And her choice.
Her choice.
Oh, wow.
Actually, in the dairy area, she used to go there and pick up yogurt. She likes yogurt and Yakult
Oh,
and drops in the
cart.
So we developed many things, many areas of functioning. How to develop those areas that are dysfunctional in her. And so far as eye contact, when I used to come back at office.
Yes, is what I wanted to ask you. Your schedule is so busy. And even after that, you removing time for your daughter, which is so amazing. That is it in itself an example, because we see fathers don't take part. Why? They go to work. Then they say we have no time. So how have you managed that?
Office hours is usually 10 to 6. And usually it takes 2 to 4 hours per day in travel.
Correct.
I used to get up early in morning, 6 o'clock, and also Himadri cook ready, and then we both used to go to park.
Oh.
6 to 8, it was our time always. So there we would do many activities like jumping, one brick walking. Actually, it was very tough to balance only one brick. So that I may increase her attention. Attention deficit is also found in such children. If there is attention, it means there is deficit of attention. It means something is missing. So that is very important. If their attention is improved, all aspects of a child will improve. All. Either it is hyperactive, either is it response, many areas.
Impulsivity also plays a very important role. So lack of attention would mean more impulsivity. And in fact, what he was saying that, having that set structures, going in the morning, taking that time out, while he's fulfilling, being there for the child, what is also helping the child do is create a routine.
Correct.
And get an understanding that this is how things should be happening, the activities. So it's like you're doing a kam and the ishare wala thing kind of. Because routine formation also plays a very important role in helping the child. And it helps them also keep a lot of their anxiety at ease. Which goes unnoticed many a times.
She always in morning, her routine is also, she always follows the routine. We are not so stuck to routine, but
they have higher preference. As adults, as people, as just generally, for us, routines changing may not be as much of a struggle, or we let it pass, but it will still create anxiety or some kind of restlessness. Ki this is not happening, that is not happening. What happens here is the similar thing. It's just that the way they express it out will be a little louder. You will scream. They will not be able to scream. That over there, the child will show a possible tantrum. You'll see that the attention also, for that matter, on those days. You know how you have a good day or a bad day. You might even see that happening. But from the child's perspective.
There was no speech at that time. Now, to improve her speech, I did 2 or 3 therapies like at home. We used to celebrate fake celebration of birthday.
Okay.
Every 2 or 3 days, I purchase a slice of bread, केक क्या कहते हैं उसको, पेस्ट्री, पेस्ट्री,
small one,
हाँ, small one, and decorated,
Mm-hmm.
and to blow the candles so that she blow out in.
हिमाद्री, वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत तेज, जल्दी से, वेरी गुड, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, लो, वेरी गुड.
So in a week 2 times we do that.
We did this. And what was the outcome of it?
Outcome is she can now blow all the candles, and now she can say or 2 or 3 more words have come out, mama, papa, that are connected to their blow, and I think therapy.
So when we do this in phonetics and all, what happens is these exercises will help create that clarity. So if I tell you we'll be able to say it. Now when the child is struggling, you need something to complement it. So these are the exercises like blowing, then touching your tongue.
Yeah. Massaging.
So that the flexibility, the tongue rolls don't happen when you are speaking. And then when you help the child to actually start speaking and you introduce words, it becomes easier for the child.
To rotate her tongue, what we do, we use honey on a spoon and
She has to touch.
out of the mouth. Try karo, touch it, then see it. And tongue movement also increase. So we are on the way and working on her speech now. A lot of things has changed in her. Lot of developments have been in her, such as hyperactivity has been controlled, attention has been increased, balancing issues has been resolved. Hyperactivity is such as you have seen some children or most of the children hand flapping. This is the main issue you can find in any, if you are going any mall वगैरह, if you see, so then there is symptom also. This is hand flapping also the symptom of autism. So
How
hand
did you
flapping has
eliminate that?
to eliminate hyperactivity. What I have told you
ये
that
flapping कैसे बंद किया?
हाँ, I am coming to the point कि hand flapping के लिए one day I was walking in the park as my usual routine. तो I thought कि opposite side से start करते हैं पार स्लाइडर पर.
स्लाइड पे, हाँ.
तो ज्यादा स्ट्रेंथ पड़ेगी हाथ पर, मसल्स स्ट्रेंथ होगी, मजबूत होंगी, और देन it will work on her. Or definitely it worked. My thought worked there.
Well done. Well done. Very good. Very good, Himadri. Very good. Very good.
I know. I mean, aren't these like? आपने कोई थेरेपी सेशन किया था that you were able to get so many?
Actually, I was a teacher. I used to teach the students during my times. So I use that techniques also. If a child is not working, what other way I can adopt to train him?
Okay. So with that opposite climbing and her flapping was reduced.
Not only this therapy, opposite climbing, but beer walking also. Beer walk. I used to handle her from her legs.
Okay.
Beer walking means full pressure on hands. It will definitely work on for eliminating.
And how did you take care of the
besides I have done also one thing more, to manage her diet.
Okay, which is very important.
Diet to control. For controlling, you should manage casein free or gluten free diet. Even no sugar,
Yeah.
No sugar diet.
no sugar. If you want to give your child sugar, then give him or her fructose.
Okay.
Fructose means फल.
उससे it's better.
Refined
Sugar.
जो sugar होती है, that is very harmful not only to that child, even us also.
Us
Neurodiverse
हाँ,
and neuro.
आप भी एक दिन if you don't eat your sugar, you'll come to know the difference.
Any which ways I'm on a low sugar diet. I have no choice.
These are actually things, na, if it's not only that just because you're on the spectrum, you should be doing it. These are things that will actually help even if you're not on the spectrum.
In general, everybody.
Everybody.
What I thought कि hyperactivity means दो पार्ट में अगर हाइपर एक्टिविटी मीन्स एनर्जी बहुत ज्यादा है इसमें. हाउ टू रिड्यूस दैट, हाउ टू यूज दैट एनर्जी, चैनलाइज. देन आई थॉट कि इसको कहाँ यूज करना है. फॉर दिस आई यूज्ड टू गो टू पार्क इन मॉर्निंग एंड देन आफ्टर रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम माय ऑफिस एट around 8 or 7:30, I used to go to park or mall. Actually, she had balancing issues. So there was a closed mall, means nobody used to go there. So I, with her, used to go there in evening. Actually, evening time था मेरा mall के लिए, क्योंकि there were no mosquitoes, it's a safe place. So from ground floor to fourth floor, I used to take her walking exercises are there.
Very good. Well done. अरे वाह. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. हाथ नीचे. 5, 6, 7.
So balancing issue resolved there. मतलब सोचा खाली मस्तिष्क शैतान का घर होता है.
Active.
And very innovative.
That hyperactivity has to transform into the parents to become active to actually help their children.
I know. Because he's being very innovative. Ki, if this is not working, what should I do so that
डे टू डे लाइफ हम भी यही सोचते हैं कि मतलब क्या करना चाहिए, व्हाट इज द अदर सॉल्यूशन, वे आउट. तो एक तो ये था कि नहीं या तो बैठे रहो. आई हैव सीन आल्सो देयर वर लॉट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन अराउंड अस हु आर autistic. I have seen their parents also there in the park, और हम देखते थे they are on their phone. Child is on the ground, but they are on their phones. Actually, they wanted their free time. Actually, घर में their mothers और fathers, उनका टाइम नहीं होता था. घर पे चीख रहा है तो अपना टाइम होता था only to give that child to the lap of nature only. They do only. But I never did this. I used to work on it. So many of the parents also looked at me and they also started working on their child. तभी किसी ने कहा कि नहीं सर कौन सी एक्सरसाइज करवानी है. Then I created my channel autistic हिमालय, क्योंकि किसको क्या क्या बताऊं.
Correct.
तो then I came to एक डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म कि मैं बताऊं तो आप ये देख लो भाई, आपको सब मिल जाएगा ये चीज. और थेरेपी जो सोची है वो बस सोचना है आपको. अगर आपको अपने बच्चे को ठीक करना है, मींस
आप सिम्टम देखो और फिर उस हिसाब से देन यू
सोचो, मतलब वे आउट निकालना है, आपको ही निकालना है कि फॉर पब्लिक सर्वेंट कि ये प्रॉब्लम है तो कैसे वो क्या करता है, यही करता है. तो हमें भी यही करना था. नहीं इससे नहीं हो रहा है सॉल्व, सेकंड वे आउट हमारे पास होना चाहिए.
That has worked. This is amazing. What is your take on this? As in, he's done a lot of therapies by himself. So you can say a home program sort of. So what is your take on this, man?
So a home program definitely always plays a very important role. Because even if the child is going for behavior therapy, speech therapy, occupational therapy, how much time are they going to spend with the therapist? Couple hours maximum. The actual work is happening at home. But what happens is here we are seeing a very active parent. There are a lot of passive parents. We schedule the sessions up to the therapist. In fact, there are many times I am also struggling with such parents They leave the child, you handle the child, and you'll come back after 45 minutes. It works on some days because you want to spend that time with the child and you are helping the child. Some days the parents need to be involved even in those 45 minutes.
Correct.
And how are they going to take away anything to the house if they are not involved in the initial building base time?
Correct. True.
And then that's where the discrepancy starts. So you can actually help a child a lot, provided you are active and you have all your additional support. Of course, the therapists are always going to be there, but you have to have the proper amalgamation of both of those things. You can't be a passive parent. And again, I'm saying this is not only the case just because your child is on the spectrum or no spectrum. You have to be an active parent.